Hi friends, today we are going to solve drawing book problem from the implementation of the algorithm. Our teacher asks our class to open their books to a page number. Our student can either start turning pages from the front of the book or from the back of the book. They always turn pages one at a time. When they open a book, the page 1 is always on the right side. When they flip page 1, they see page 2 and 3. Each page except the last page will always be printed on both the sides. The last page may or may not be on the front, given the length of the book. If the book is n pages long and a student wants to turn to page P, what's the minimum number of pages to turn? They can start at a beginning or at the end of the book. Basic statement is that there is an n page book and student needs to go to page number P, and he can go into the page number P by following two directions, either turning from the front of the page, from the front of the book, or from the back side of the book. We have to make sure that the total minimum number of turns that the student will take in order to reach P number page. So the basic way of solving this problem would be very easy. Just let's say return. You might be shocked, like no code written, just return statement. Well, that's the simplicity of Python. So one of is from starting how many number of turns that he needs to take. So it could be simplified in p double divide by 2, which would give us the integer value. So p double divided by 2 will give the total number of turns the user need to make in order to reach page number P from the front of the book, and another way could be from the end of the book. So it should be n double divided by 2 minus p double divided by 2. So it is from the last of the book. So from page number length of the book is n. So from the last page of the book could be from n minus p double divided by 2. The total number of turns. Let's run the code. As I could see, it passed the test cases successfully, and let's submit it. All done. So as always, I keep on reminding you, send me your feedbacks in the comment section, and thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.